Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to mass hiring current 2024 big hiring update. We are discussing about the three companies that is very important in IBM coding test phase wise. Capgemini is showing limit of one application, Tech Mahindra test timeline. First of all, Tech Mahindra announced the opportunity for 24 batch and BE, BTech, MC, MSc can apply. This branches is eligible. Capgemini network engineer hiring is also active. Gurgaon off campus you can apply. BE BTech 2024 batch can apply. But one most important point, 32 minutes ago I shared one video with all of you, but due to YouTube notification ये सब तक नहीं पहुंची है. That's why you can check out this video. IBM redundancy form. Okay, what is person ID and IBM job ID, IBM coding test update. Exam is online and offline. So we are discussing about each and every update in the video. So one most important point, the first update is from IBM. Okay, if you if you are watching our previous videos, so 22 hours ago I shared one video with all of you in which I clearly said that if you receive the direct mail from the IBM team, okay, so you have to complete the total 3 steps. Okay, like you have to complete the job application, you have to fill the accommodation form, and you have to complete the redundancy form. But if you directly applied from the portal, so you have to only complete the first and second step, because the third step is they not mention. Okay, or we don't have a link for redundancy form. But the first IBM is sending the redundancy form update to candidate, you have to complete before 12th January. So the thing is, if you are you are completing the redundancy form today and they are mentioning that before 12 by 12th January you have to fill the redundancy form. So after 12th January your coding test will be there. Okay, अब यहाँ पर मुझे बहुत सारी क्वेरी आ रही थी because some of the candidate receive the coding test update that is related to 12th January. So they are those candidate who received the direct mail from the IBM team. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Just continue your coding preparation, and after filling the redundancy form, if you are shortlisted, please wait for that. You will receive the next mail that is related to coding test. Continue your preparation. Okay, don't do anything as of now. This is just an update for IBM. And second update is coding test. Okay, many of the candidate, they received the direct mail from IBM team in which you have to complete the 3 steps. Okay, so the 3 steps is completed, and you, if you are shortlisted, you will receive this type of mail. You fill the redundancy form. If you are shortlisted, then most probably in the upcoming days you will receive mail like this in which coding assessment will be there, and everything that is related to coding assessment on all the update I shared all the update in this video. So kindly please check out this video in which I shared everything update, what is related to coding assessment, what about the everything what about the offline test, online test, everything I mentioned. Okay, let's discuss about our second update that is related to Capgemini. So one most important point, as we know that Capgemini announced the 2024 batch opportunity, and it is one of the off-campus mass hiring. Okay, and I suggest, if you are I suggest male and female both candidates can apply for opportunity. No need to worry about that. But many of the candidates are applying and they are seeing that company set a limit of one application for this hiring cycle. This limit has been set by Capgemini. Please get in touch with your college for more detail. So the one most important point, suppose previous there are lot of hiring that is posted from Capgemini, analyst hiring, software engineering hiring, network engineering hiring as well. So suppose if you applied for opportunity previously and you attended the test, okay, you are not shortlisted, but Capgemini is not allowing, because they are only allowing one application per candidate. One application per candidate means, okay, so this is candidate number 1, this is candidate number 2. Okay, suppose candidate number 2 is doing the new registration or the first time registration, so he or she can easily apply for opportunity. While candidate number 1, he already 2 to 5 months ago he already done the examination. Now Capgemini team, Capgemini mentioned that only one application or one application per limit is allowed. Okay, so in that I suggest you can contact your college. Okay, you can contact your college placement officer if they do can, or like वो अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं तो इसमें. एंड इसी के साथ it will totally depends on like it will totally depends on Capgemini team. You can contact Superset team as well, like you can contact the Superset Capgemini team as well. Okay, बट इट विल टोटली डिपेंड्स, पर ये लिमिट रहती है. सो कहने का यहाँ पर ये मतलब रहता है कि आई एम सजेस्टिंग एवरी वन दैट मैनी ऑफ द रोल्स एंड हायरिंग्स आर posted in the superset. Okay, this same condition arise in Wipro as well. Many of the candidate applied for elite exclusive hiring, they completed the test, but now it is showing one application per limit. So आपको ध्यान से देखना है कि किस रोल में आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और उसके हिसाब से आपको टेस्ट एंड इंटरव्यू देना है, बिकॉज दे आर कंसिडरिंग वन एप्लीकेशन एट अ सिंगल टाइम. ओके, आई सजेस्ट contact Capgemini Superset team or contact your college. Okay, so it will totally depends on them if they are allowing or not. Okay, so this is all about the update. यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखना है कि किस रोल में आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. The third update is related to Tech Mahindra. Many of the candidates are asking that they are not asking any of the resume. Okay, like they are not asking any of the resume, so how they are shortlisting candidates. Okay, so how they are shortlisting candidates, so they mention candidate meeting the eligibility criteria will invited for virtual and protocol online test in about 1 to 2 week from the date of candidature registration. ओके, सो आज 10 तारीख है, ठीक है, 10 जनवरी को एग्जाम हुई. अब यहाँ से नेक्स्ट 1 से 2 वीक के अंदर आपको टेस्ट मेल आने के चांसेस है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, जैसा आपका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया रहेगा यहाँ पर अपडेट आएंगे. एंड देयर इज़ अ फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू एट टेक महिंद्रा ऑफिसेज. आपको बता दूँ मोस्ट प्रोबेबली टेस्ट ऑनलाइन रहेंगे, लेकिन आपके जो इंटरव्यूज़ रहेंगे वो ऑफलाइन रहेंगे. प्लीज़ चेक योर जंक स्पैम ईमेल एज वेल. ईच टेस्ट सर्व एज अ फिल्टर फॉर नेक्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ प्रोसेस. और ईच टेस्ट जो होगा वो यहाँ पर एलिमिनेशन होगा, ठीक है, कि यहाँ पर एलिमिनेशन रहेगा. ऑन सक्सेसफुल रजिस्ट्रेशन द रजिस्ट्रेशन ID एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन पिल will be sent on your mail ID registered with us. Okay, you must note down this registration ID and PIN you will require for all correspondence. Okay, in case you already employed, they clearly mention in case you have appeared for Tech Mahindra freshers recruitment in the last 6 months preceding this registration, you are not eligible. 6 month का cooling period आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. Okay, and they clearly mention while filling detail to personal contact academic, once submitted this cannot be amended or corrected. You may end up losing an opportunity to work with Tech Mahindra Limited. इन्फॉर्मेशन ध्यान से देनी है. देखो यहाँ पर 2 प्रोसेस है दैट आई विल ऑल्सो कवर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, AAC और सुपर कोडर. ठीक है, AAC एंड सुपर कोडर. यहाँ पर आपको 3.25 LPA का पैकेज मिलेगा, यहाँ पर आपको 5.5 LPA का पैकेज मिलेगा. सो कंटिन्यू योर प्रिपरेशन. इफ़ यू आर शॉर्ट लिस्टेड लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया दे विल शॉर्ट लिस्ट योर रेज्यूमे. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट योर टेस्ट विल बी देयर. Okay, so you have to prepare very well, and according to AAC test performance they will invite you for super coder test. यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू नहीं रहता है, यहाँ पर 2 कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं. एंड आफ्टर क्लियरिंग द कोडिंग क्वेश्चन you will get an opportunity of super coder. This is all about the company's update series. I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.